Chef IrixGuy here, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make Assburn fries. Assburn fries, that's right. We're going to go through step by step how to make Assburn fries. Now you're going to need an air fryer, and we're going to go through, and by the way, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the air fryer like I use. But I'll go through all the ingredients and link those within this video's description as well.
Assburn Fries hail from the city of Assburnia. The city of Assburnia was never the same after Assburn Fries. The potato harvest prompted endless resupply. Assburnian citizens became addicted to Assburn Fries. The fiery treat, although devilishly delightful, was the cause of the city's demise. Citizens fled Assburnia and the city is no more. Exercise caution if preparing Assburn Fries. Most important, be sure to enjoy.
So you've got to cut your potatoes, and I'll show you how I like mine. This is the classic Assburn fry potato size. So what you'll do is just slice your potatoes here. I like to get them about that thick. You don't have to be a professional. Some people can slice a lot faster than I do. But just go through, take your time. And then once you've got them in that direction, then what you want to do is slice like this. And for a traditional Assburn fry, that's about the size that I use. So I'll slice these up to that size. Now this is an extremely important step because this is how you're going to get the crispiness. So you're going to get some olive oil. You're going to put olive oil in here, generous amount. Then, and I don't use garlic salt because I like sea salt, I'm going to use garlic powder, generous amount of garlic powder. We're going to do some freshly ground black pepper, Tilly Cherry black peppercorns. And then sea salt, just a little bit of sea salt. And now what we're going to do is mix this thoroughly together. Now this is something you want to prepare right before you cook it, and if you don't, you need to make sure you put this tightly covered in your refrigerator because your fries will discolor, and that's not the best way to do Assburn fries. And you notice here I've got some spices. Now we haven't added the good stuff yet, so we're going to add a little bit now of cayenne pepper. And then ghost pepper. A lot of ghost pepper. Whoa, whoa. And we're going to add more later, don't worry. Just put that in there and mix it up. Just get them good and thoroughly mixed because that the olive oil helps the seasoning stick to the Assburn fries, and the olive oil also helps with crispiness because we're air frying, because it's healthier than traditional frying methods. So see, this is good and thoroughly mixed, and this is ready to toss into the air fryer. Okay, so now we've got our fries as we saw, you know, they're thoroughly mixed up, and we're going to do 390 for about 15 minutes in the air fryer. Now that may vary depending upon how crispy you want your Assburn fries to be, but we'll just, you know, we'll toss them periodically as we go here. Just go ahead and put them in your air fryer. Again, 390 for approximately 15 minutes, but we're going to toss periodically and monitor the texture. And now what we're going to do is make the Assburn sauce, because we can't just have fries without Assburn sauce. Okay, and this is something I do while my Assburn fries are in the air fryer. The sauce for Assburn fries is actually very simple. Get you some ketchup. And depending upon how many fries you have, you know, you can determine how much ketchup you want to use. So ketchup first. And then some Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then a considerable amount of cayenne pepper. And also a considerable amount of ghost pepper. Seasoned to taste, but these being Assburn fries, you want to do it the traditional way and add a lot. Also black pepper, just to further enhance the flavor profile. Probably don't need sea salt with this, because you've already salted the fries and there's already a considerable amount of salt probably in the ketchup. So just stir this up. You don't have to cook it or anything. Just stir it up real thoroughly. That's perfectly stirred, good coloration. I'm going to try a dab. Oh yes. So I ended up cooking mine about 3 minutes longer in the air fryer, so about 18 minutes. Again, just toss periodically. I toss every 3 to 4 minutes or so. And then once you get close to that 15-minute mark, try a fry or two and see if it's the crispiness that you like. Some people like them crispier than others, but these are just like I like them. Not too crispy, but you know, not soft. There we go. So there's our plate full of fries. Now what we got to do is, you know, you can't just put extra ghost pepper powder on the top. You got to put it down here, because if somebody scooped it off the top, then they cheat. Now, these already have a little bit of ghost powder from where we put the ghost powder in when we were tossing them. But you know, an air fryer uses air, so some of it may go away. So add more ghost pepper powder, add more cayenne pepper. Now this is where it gets exciting. Add a cheese of your choice. This is a Carolina Reaper cheese, but you could add any kind of cheese. But the objective here is to make it as spicy as possible. So I'm going to add a Carolina Reaper cheese. Don't be shy, add a lot of cheese. And make sure it's evenly distributed so that, you know, when we pop her in the microwave here, that everything's going to be graciously coated. And then these are bacon bits. I fried some bacon, crumbled it up. You want to add bacon bits. This is turkey bacon. You could use regular bacon. Completely up to you. And now what we're going to do is put it in the microwave to melt the cheese. And depending upon your type of microwave, time may vary. So what I encourage you to do is just kind of peek through the microwave window, because all you're wanting to do is melt the cheese. Everything's already cooked. So I'm going to monitor, and as soon as that cheese starts to melt, I'm going to pull them out. And that is perfectly prepared Assburn fries. And these are perfectly prepared Assburn fries. You saw step by step how to make them. If you like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell. And if it makes you feel really good, send me a super thanks by clicking the thanks icon below this video. Not required, but appreciated to support videos like this. But to eat the Assburn fries, just use a fork. You can dive in with your fingers. Put your sauce in a cup, and you're good to go. A very hearty and very spicy treat. Mmm. Whoa. Mmm. Assburn fries. How to make Assburn fries. The people from Assburnia would be proud. This is a very, very famous treat. Mmm. Absolutely perfect. Woo! Spicy.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.